Jessica Antonelli here, coming to you from the Arts District in San Miguel de Allende. I'm in the Guadalupe neighborhood with the founder of Muros in Blanco, Colleen Sorenson. Thanks for having us, Colleen.
Thank you. Welcome to my neighborhood. This is Colleen Guadalupe. This is the Arts District. My project is Muros in Blanco, Districto de Arte. We started in 2013 when we got the permission. Actually, we started in 2012, but it took quite a while to get the permission because it was not permitted.
Yeah.
No street art of any kind was permitted in San Miguel. I began working with Francisco Vega, who goes by the name of Juice.
Yeah.
So Francisco and I started knocking on doors and explained what the project was. And once we got that permission, artists were coming from around Mexico. I work now with a group of 3 guys. Their business is called Graffiti World. They coordinate all the artists and do the paintings. They have a network of all of the best international artists. And here in Colleen Guadalupe, we have artists from all over Mexico, Europe, South America, the United States, Costa Rica. We're from everywhere.
That's incredible.
Also, we have a lot of our local artists too. For this project, what's so wonderful also is it was everyone together. It was the municipal authorities who offered the permission and the paint and other materials. It was the neighbors who offered their walls and who fed the artists, who gave them places to sleep. And it was the artists who gave us their talent. So everyone came together, everyone.
Well, thank you for all of the time and energy over the years that you put in to making this neighborhood so gorgeous and a cultural center of San Miguel. So we appreciate everything that you've done, and hopefully we'll see you out on the streets in front of the Organica.
Thank you.
And so, thanks, Colleen.
You're welcome, Jessica. Well, it's every Monday, Thursday, and Friday, 10 o'clock in the morning till 12:30, and again at 2 o'clock in the afternoon until 4:30. And we meet in front of your Organica and on the street. No reservations necessary, you just show up. So I will see you on the street.